If you're experiencing issues with leaks or damage to your engine's coolant system, replacing your engine water pump inlet tube is a smart and necessary step. The Dorman engine water pump inlet tube is designed as a direct replacement for the original part, ensuring a perfect fit and restoring the functionality of your vehicle's cooling system. Made with high-quality materials, this tube is engineered to withstand the harsh conditions of heat and water cycling, which are common causes of corrosion and wear in older tubes. By replacing the old, rusted inlet tube, you can prevent leaks and safeguard your engine's coolant circulation. This high-quality replacement part has been rigorously tested for reliability, ensuring that it will offer the durability and long-lasting performance you expect from your vehicle's cooling system. It's backed by over a century of automotive experience and is crafted by a team of product experts in the United States. This replacement tube fits a variety of vehicles and is designed to be an easy and cost-effective solution. Simply input your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool to ensure compatibility with your specific vehicle. If you're looking to prevent future issues with your cooling system, this Dorman part is the perfect choice. Don't wait until your engine experiences overheating problems. Click the link in the description to buy your engine water pump inlet tube today and keep your vehicle running smoothly.